Okay, everybody, the bag is here. The bag is here. All right, you guys voted. Donald won the Loungefly guessing game, the poll. You guys picked Donald bag, and now we're gonna open it. All right, I haven't opened it. I know what's in here. So, thank you everybody who voted, and I'm so excited for it. Let's see. It's the Inside Out 2 bag. I just couldn't pass it up because it reminded me so much of Wheel Wednesday. I love the color of it. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. Look at the back. It says one of a kind. I love it. It's great. It's purple. Look at the wheel. Look, it spins. The emotions. Oh. Okay, real quick, we're going to look inside. Everybody's in there. Thank you, everybody who voted on the poll. Hopefully I get the Donald bag. I'll get it one day. I will. But I'm so excited to have this bag for Wheel Wednesday. The bag, oh, it spins. I can show y'all what emotion I am on Wheel Wednesday. Have a great day, everybody. Thank you for all of the support always. Don't forget to hit that like button for this video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Bye.